Hi, welcome to BrainCert. This is a short tutorial on how to create a course with BrainCert Enterprise LMS platform. So currently I'm logged in as an administrator and I click on to the courses and click on create a course. Alright, first I need to fill in the basic information. So let's say I want to change the instructor. I can do it by clicking on search. Click on search again and select the instructor or teacher and select. All right, you can see the teacher has been changed now. I type in the course title here, and if I like this course to be listed in catalog, I can put a check mark here. If I don't want, I can uncheck it. All right, here the course subtitle. You type in the course subtitle here, and you choose an image from your library, or you can also choose it from your computer as well. All right, the next option is you select a category. So these categories which you have already created, you can select any one of the categories that suits your requirement. The next option is whether you'd like to, okay, what level of course is this, like beginner, intermediate, or advanced, or all levels you can select. All right, then you have reviews and rating. If you would like to say yes or no, it's up to you. And show learners count. So let me quickly go on to our client here. All right, so you can see learner count can be seen here. All right, so this is what the learner counts mean. So you can put a yes or no, it's up to you. Enable discuss comments. So you can Google for discuss comments for more information on this. About the course, you can add a content like text, all right, or you can add a HTML if you wish to. Or you can also add a video. So how can you add a video? You add a YouTube or Vimeo link here. All right. So, and you can also insert an image. You can choose it from your computer and add it. The next option is about the instructor. If you would like to, you can add the instructor. Similar to the above options, you can add a video or image or HTML. All right, I go on to the next option now. All right, the advanced settings. So here I have in the advanced settings, I can limit the enrollment. So I can make it in unlimited or limited. It's up to me. So I can make it limited like 20 seats or so. Promotional video, I can add a YouTube or Vimeo link here for promotional video, or I can also choose it from my library. So I can select the video and I can. All right, then I go on to the course highlights here. So you have like 5 highlights that you can add. So highlights can be seen here. Let me quickly go on to an example here. So these are the highlights that you see. All right. So you can go ahead and add highlights of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. You can select the language and you select the keyword. So let's say I have the user here. I can search for the keyword. All right. So let's say I type in architecture. I'm going to get it. So that's what the keywords means. All right, then the next option that I have is the payment settings. I can make it free or I can make it paid. So for paid, I have like, the options like I can select Australian dollars or so. I click on save. The course has been created. You can see the title course has been created and the instructor is Dan Olson. The next option, obviously, that you would like to know is how you can add content to the course. All right, so I click on the cog icon here and I go on to the course material. All right, so I go on to the course material and I add the chapter here, chapter 1, and then under chapter I need to add the lecture name. So I add the lecture name here. Okay, once I add it, you can see I have a cog icon here. I can click on it to add content. So whatever the type of content that I'd like to add here, I can do it. Okay, or I can also search for a specific file format, like I can type in MP4. All right, you can see all the MP4 videos have come. So you can select the video and I click on add. Similarly, you can also add like the test to the course. All right, so these are already created tests that I have created. So I can select the test and I can click on add. The test will be added. All right, the next option that I have is add live class. So I can add a live class. It's very simple to add the content to the course. You select it and then add it. All right, the next option that I have is add class recording. So if I want to add class recording, I can also do it, and I can also add assignment. So these are already created. I'm sorry, I don't have any assignments right now, but you can add assignments too with deadlines when to finish it. All right, the next option that I'd like to show under lectures is you can also drip content. All right, so you can see published lecture will drip after how many days. You can select 5 days or 7 days, whatever suits your requirement, days after a student enrolls. All right, so all right, the next option that I have is like how to complete this lecture. So you can put an option like mark as learned checkbox, or pass all tests in the lecture, or pass a specific test. You can select the test, specific test. All right, or after a specific time period spent on this lecture. So you can say 60 minutes, maybe like 500 seconds, whatever the number that you would like to add. All right, so I go on to the next option by clicking on the cog icon here. So now you can add rules to the course. All right, so I click on add rules. Okay, and here you can see like I have traversal rule here. So in this I can force students to sequentially go follow each lecture, so one after the other. The next thing is course completion rule. So all lectures must be completed, or 50% or 75%. You can add whatever. Learning path. Let's say before taking this course, I would like users to take another course. Then I can click on add course, and I select the course that I would like the students to take, and I click on save. All right, the next option is test completion rule. Then I have like users must pass all tests to download certificate. 50% of the test or 75%, whatever suits my requirement, I can select it. I can click on save. All right, so I saved it. Now I go back to the cog icon here to go for other options. So here from the top, like you can see, preview as learner, preview as instructor, or assign to a user group. All right, so you can click on, and with just a single click, you can assign the course to maybe like hundreds of students. All right, then I have the next option is you can edit the course. You can clone it, make a similar one, or for a different kind of audience or so. And then you have delete this course, publish it. That means students won't be able to take the course unless and until you publish the course. So make sure you publish the course and then invite students. Then you have course material that we have already discussed. Certificate, you can add certificate to the course. All right, so you have the listed certificates here. You can also add your own certificate, and you can also integrate variables like student name, course name, and completion date. You can add those things. I go back to the cog icon again, and then the next option that I have here is add rules, which we have already discussed. Add live class. All right, you can simply add it as a lecture, and you can also pull reports. So I click on reports now, and you can see I can pull reports month-wise, year-wise, quarter-wise. I can pull reports here. So let's say I can year-wise, like you can see the details here. You can pull specific group details. All right, so let's say I want to pull up the data for this group. I can pull it up. All right, reports can be pulled in CSV or PDF format as well. All right, custom reports is also possible. You can pull the custom reports as well. The next option that I go on here is creating a discount coupons and shopping cart. So once you made the course as paid, the next option would be you would be creating a shopping cart. So in the shopping cart, you add the pricing scheme. So let's say you want to make it $50 or $500, and how many days of access you'd like to give, or you'd like to give it for a lifetime. You can choose it, or you can have a monthly subscription of like $50 and select the type of subscription like monthly, yearly. It's up to you. All right, then you can submit, and the pricing scheme will be created. All right, I go back to the cog icon here. The next option that I have is enroll individual students. I can click on it, and I type in the email addresses. So you can see full access after payment or full access without payment. You can select these options. All right, and then you have enrollment status here. So you can see the enrollment status, date invited, and options. Alright, I go to the cog icon again and manage enrolled students. I can manage the enrolled students from here, and email enrolled students. I can do it as well. Email prospective students and course notification. Alright, I'd like to talk about course notifications here. So here you can see notify me when a student enrolls in this course. Alright, you can select yes or no, it's up to you. And if you wish, you can also edit the templates here. Alright, it's very simple and easy. Then you also have student email notifications. So you can see send welcome email to new students and send course completion email to new students. You can select yes or no, it's up to you. Alright, that's it about the course creation in BrainCert Enterprise LMS platform. Thank you so much for watching it, and you have a great day.